Okay, I'm working in a new location now with big woods running up to it. And some stuff just jumped out to me. Let's go investigate. Okay, when I mean jumped out to me, what I mean is energetically, it has like an exclamation point attached to it compared to everything else around it. And maybe you guys are already seeing what I see. And you're seeing what's jumping out. Do you see the teepee shape with the big trees? Let's go look closer and see. Somebody's been walking through here, of course, probably animals. But let's go see. That totally jumped out to me. Energetically it jumps out, and oh wow, this is cool. Oh my gosh, you guys, big score. Okay, all right. So the energy will pull you in and get your curiosity, right? Then you get closer and you find what I just found. All right, you guys. Arch, okay, horizontal arch, woven back around, pulled back around. Then another branch, push down on that. Then weavings happening over here. See, it looks like intricate twig lacing, what they do. So they pulled this live tree that wasn't very big. They pulled it over. There you go. And then they anchor it down with vertical branches. Let's see what this is here. This one here, set right here. What's holding this to the ground? Oh, ta-da, people. What's holding this to the ground? A big log right here is holding the tip of this to the ground. This is textbook, okay? Textbook. They have something anchor the end of the tree over. And then they add little teeny vertical things to give some camouflage. And these can be barriers, like energetic barriers. Like we're on this side, you guys are on this side. Like they'll do that a lot. And where I'm standing is the people side. That side is the wood side where the people don't usually go. It's just the heavy woods. And the trail is right there. Look it. Okay, there's the trail right there. Let's do a part 2 on this.